to another God of YouTube video. So something happened yesterday that obviously no one foresaw coming whatsoever. We all ended up down at the allotment. So there was me, Shane. I now know he doesn't mind being shouted out, so Bailey was also there giving us a hand. We got quite a lot of work done. Unfortunately, that work didn't include filming, so there was very limited filming that was actually done. It was a good laugh. It was nice to see everyone again. Shane, Bailey, and obviously we all had a good chit chat, a cup of tea after Bailey had to run to the shop. So we got some wood chipped down. You'll see that in the next following clips. We got some wood chipped down. I raked the stones off the very front plot that you saw Shane hoeing over and digging in some of the previous videos. And then we all got down to the wood chip. It was probably about 4, 5, 6 o'clock by the time we got onto that, so it was going dark. And obviously when the clips were filmed that you're going to see following this, it was pitch black and we were using torches. We got it done. It was quite enjoyable, good fun, good to have a chat with everyone, had a good laugh. Some things that we can't mention on YouTube were said, but we're getting there. I know that Shane is setting up another dedicated channel for gardening, or his allotment, gardening hints and tips. We're still ironing out the details in relation to that, so as soon as that channel is up, we will be 100% sure to let you know. Sorry, Shane's messaging me as it speaks. Sorry about that. Shouldn't use your phone when you're doing a YouTube video. So yeah, we got quite a lot done, and I'm reading messages there and there. Shane, leave me alone, man. I'm trying to help your channel. And he's still going. I give up. Okay, so yeah, so there's some clips following on that will show you exactly what we did, and just I think I filmed like a 15-30 second clip of the sunset. It was a lovely sunset, so I had to get a video of that. So there's a clip of that first, and then there's the video of me walking around with the camera while the other two were just finishing off. I think Shane was cleaning up, and Bailey was, well, he was doing this, weren't you, Bailey? So yeah, as soon as that is done, we will be sure to keep you updated with anything else. I know, well, I can tell you this, we are hopefully going to go down and see Shane's new place either today or tomorrow. I think it's going to be today, looking at the messages I'm getting, so it'll be later on, but we'll get that video out to you tomorrow. So we'll get a quick look around Shane's new place, because he, as you've seen in previous videos, he has moved. He's currently, I believe currently he is moving, so we will get that video out as soon as we can. So enjoy the clips, and we will see you very soon. Bye.